7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Raiders or near Mount Pocono, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations intended include Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Washington, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argo, Whittingham, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Hope, East Bangor, Brass Castle, Stormville, Broadheadsville, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, Sunshine Valley, and Great Meadows, Vienna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 296 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 22. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe and Northampton.